Model, 2015 Mercedes-Benz Vito 116 Cdi Dualiner automatic 5-seater crew cab long MOT. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 232,928. MOT, the 21st of October 2025. Engine, 2143 cc ohms 651,163 hpb. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat and load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,225.